Hi guys, it's Jillian. I'm back after I don't know how long, how long? Since May? Like the beginning of May, so almost 2 months. Yeah. So as you can see by my get up, I'm very patriotic today, and that is because I'm gonna do a 4th of July inspired look. Last year I did a really crazy cool look. Well, actually it wasn't crazy, it was just like a little blue eyeliner, red lip. Post a picture here if I can do it in editing. Yeah. So I wanted to do a cool look this year also as well, and also I kind of wanted to do a look since I started my makeup account and my makeup YouTube page, that I could make looks that maybe y'all could do, give you some inspo. Also yesterday in my Instagram poll I said, do y'all want a harder, more creative look or a more easy one that anyone could do? And for the most part, everyone said, not everyone, it was about almost half and half, but more people said they wanted harder and creative. But I didn't say what look I was doing, and I meant 4th of July, so I'm gonna be doing a crazy, fun 4th of July look. I already had an idea in mind that kind of sparked my interest in doing it, but y'all see when you keep watching. Also, if you didn't know, I got a new camera. Not the crappy 2009 video camera recorder that sucked, but so yeah, I did try to set up a mic. It wasn't having a good time, so just raw camera. Yeah, I've got my viewfinder right there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So what I'm first going to do is start out with my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. It's really sad that I remember that perfectly. I'm going to do my brows with that, so yeah. There's one brow done. Let me get the other brow off camera. Okay, I just did the other one off camera. They're looking very bushy, and I think it's because I have not done a really intense brow in a while, so I'm gonna clean that up with some concealer. The concealer I'm going to be using today is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And I also got a new brush in my Ipsy bag, of course, and it's the Lexi 245 Small Shader, but I'm going to be using that for my eyebrows. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I'm done with my eyebrows, concealed them and everything. So now I'm gonna move on to foundation. So since I've gotten a little bit tan, not a lot, but a little bit, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi in the shade W4. Alright, and now I'm going to use the same concealer I used earlier to carve my brows to conceal this face. Okay, and now to set all this wet face, I'm going to be using my trusty RCMA No Color Powder. I love it so much. I literally have had this for probably more than a year, and there's still product in there. Girl, love that. So to apply all this, I'm gonna be using this ugly, gross beauty blender. Please don't clock me. Yeah, I know. Look at the top. It's there's cakey, I don't even know on there. So I'm gonna be using the other end, which is still gross, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And now for some bronzing, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park Avenue Princess. As you can see, I have gone ham in this one. To apply this, I'm going to be taking a Sigma 103 brush that I also got in my Ipsy bag. I got this in my Ipsy bag, so everything's from Ipsy. For blush, I don't really wear blush, so I actually got this blush with my competition makeup like 4 years ago. So yeah, I haven't even looked like I touched it. So classic color, shade Ice Plum. Yes, hunty. I am going to be taking the Holy Grail highlighter. I know, y'all know, I'm Reezy and Anastasia. Love her so much. Also be taking, I don't even know what brand this is, but I got it in my Ipsy bag, and I'm doing a trick that James Charles teaches where you wet your brush with mist. This is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal, by the way. And then spritz your face as well. So you got like double the, you know, wetness. So let's apply this. Girl, I know y'all see that. Ooh. Girl, brighter than the fireworks. I'll go home. Okay, she's highlighted too. And for my eyeshadow today, you know it's gonna be patriotic AF. So I'm gonna be using reds, blues, whites, the whole shebang actually. I'm going to be dipping inside of my Morphe 35B palette, and as you can see, it's just rainbows and love it. I'm going to be using the blue, the lighter blue, right now for my transition shade. Girl, she is not playing. Alright, now that I got that on, I'm going to be using the darker navy blue shade in my crease. Now that I got that done, I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm just taking this little elf brush that I got for $1. If you saw my past videos, you know how excited I was about that. She's back again. Okay, now as you can see, I'm just gonna kind of blend this with my finger out like that. Not that. Just like that too. Good fade effect. Okay, now what I'm going to do on that little area where there's open space, I'm going to be taking this Ulta Beauty Face and Body Glitter in the shade, I guess, like silver, I guess, whatever. Super pretty, super big, and it was honestly super cheap. Oh, it is in the shade silver, y'all. Oh my gosh, I was right, and I'm not even kidding, I've never looked at that before. And I'm going to be taking this NYX glitter primer to glue that to my eyelid. I'm literally gonna have glitter all over me. Gotta really see this glitter action. Like, y'all really gotta see it. Yeah, buddy, she's glittering. Look at that. Look at that glitter. Oh my gosh, glitter, hey. Okay, and now I'm gonna do some eyeliner, just a little wang. We're getting an old crappy one I have over there because this is a no for me. No. We're back with my crappy CoverGirl one, or L'Oreal one. At least this one actually has ink in it. Yeah. Okay, and now for under the eye, just so I don't keep too much blue going on, I'm going to take some of the red in the Morphe 35B palette and go under my eyes. I think that's pretty good in there. Whilst I'm curling my lashes, I'll tell you my mascara situation. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise and this Bella Pierre one for my lower lashes. This one's the top, this one's for the bottom. And for lashes today, y'all already know, I literally use them for everything. They're my most well-kept lashes, so I'm gonna use them. They're my Lexi Lash in the in the style Flossy. I real love them. They're just fluffy ones, just, you know, the norm. So I'm gonna be take some of the Duo Lash glue, put it on the back of my hand, and apply those suckers. Okay. And I'll just tell y'all a little life update on what's going on in my life. I went to St. George Island at the beginning of June with my family, came back a few days, went to a wedding, went to Holiday World, had a practice, and then I left for France. Left for France for a week, came back for a few days, then I went to Nashville for a few days, came back, and then it's my birthday. So I'm 17 now, if you didn't know. Yeah, lots been happening in my life. Crazy life. Okay, I think this lash is ready to go now. I think it's ready now. Ready? I think I just got those on there. Pretty good. Maybe. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this eye off camera. Okay, so I just finished this eye off camera. I'm really digging it. Super cute. It's a little extra for the normal person, but you know, you're on my channel and I'm literally one of the most extra people ever, so that's my eye look, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, I am going to be making little tiny fireworks with glitter on my face somewhere. I'm telling y'all, I'm winging it, so I don't really know where. It's just gonna be somewhere. For my glitters today, I'm going to be using the Glitter Bug Cosmetics Glitter Dust in red and blue, and as you can see, they're my competition ones. They literally say my name on it. Come on, focus. But they're just little things like that, like so freaking cute. And then I also have my shimmer I was using earlier, just the silver from the Ulta Beauty one. And I'm just going to be making little, you know, fireworks all over my face. Probably going to explain how I do one, and then just like make a time lapse of like me doing a ton all over my face. So yeah. Hey guys, so yeah, I was about to do my cute little glitter fireworks, and all of a sudden my camera said change battery, and I'm like, oh okay, let's play that game. So it had to charge for like 10-15 minutes. It's all good though. I fixed up a little bit of my makeup, add a little more red, fixed my eyebrow a little bit. All Gucci in here, buddy. And I'm gonna add one like right here, and I'm just gonna see what it looks like. And then yeah, I'm gonna be taking this little white brush that I've been using this whole time, and first I'm gonna kind of like draw out the firework, just like a little star or something. So I'm gonna take that and just add it on to where I put glitter, streak of glitter before. So yeah, there we go. Super bright. I think that's cute. Okay. So I'm gonna add just a few more around, bigger little ones, just kind of in this area, I guess. I don't know. And yeah, it's just gonna be red, blue, silver. I'm gonna time lapse it, and y'all can just watch. Okay, so I just finished those little guys right there. They're kind of crazy, but whatever. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, like the silver glitter in the, like my inner corner, just to make it pop a little bit more. And I wouldn't use red or blue glitter. That would just make your eye look super weird. Yeah, there we go. Cute, okay. cute. She cute or whatever. Okay. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna do this side of the glitter stuff off camera, so when I'm back, it'll be finished. Hopefully. Alrighty, I finished this side of the glitter. Super cute. I think that's really cute. Like, okay. So now, just to finish out my look, get this video over with, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit, the Velvet lip kit in the shade Red Velvet. I got this for my birthday from my lovely boyfriend, Nicky Poo. I love you. Alright y'all, I think that is the finished look. I think it's super patriotic, if I do say so myself. I really think it's super, you know, cute for the 4th of July, and I'm telling y'all, I know y'all don't want to go this full out lashes and everything. I'm not, because I heard the heat index in Kentucky on the 4th is going to be 110 plus. Not trying to do that, probably going to be no makeup, maybe just a little red lip, maybe a little bit of glitter, I don't know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I've not made a YouTube video in a while, and it feels good to sit and make one and, you know, just show my makeup off. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.